good morning everyone. We are here at XCon 2023 and we are having a conversation with Mr. Anand from Ammann. So let's start this conversation with a small brief introduction of him.
Uh, Good morning. Thank you. I am Anand Sundaresan, Managing Director of Ammann India Private Limited. So Ammann is a 150-year-old company and it is a family-owned concern. Now the sixth generation is running this business. So Ammann is existing. Ammann is the worldwide leaders of asphalt plant manufacturing. And of course, they were not present in India for a long time. In about 2013, they invested in India in the old Gujarat Apollo, which was in Mehsana. About 70% they invested at that time. And in 2020, they acquired the balance 30% also. So now Ammann India is a 100% subsidiary of Ammann Switzerland, Ammann AG Switzerland. So in India also, if you look at it, we are basically market leaders for all the products that we are manufacturing. Like for example, for the asphalt plant, for the pavers, and of course we have added some more products like concrete plants, rollers, and these are some of the new products that we have introduced.
So do you have any product launch from your side?
Yeah, so if you look at it, as I mentioned to you, we have 4 product vertical events here. One is the asphalt plant vertical, the second one is the compaction equipment, third one is paver equipment, and the fourth is concrete equipment. I'll come to asphalt plant last. So to start with, when I talk about the paver finisher, we are the market leaders in India for paver finishers. We are the largest sellers of paver finishers in India. And this particular XCon, we have introduced 2 variants of, we were with mechanical paver, we have the sensor paver wheel type, and here we have introduced the track paver of the most commonly used pavers in the national highway projects, like 7-meter track paver and also the 9-meter track paver. So this is completely designed in India, completely local manufactured, of course with the support of our parent company from Switzerland. So this is the new launch as far as the paver is concerned. Other than this, in Czech Republic, we are already manufacturing a mini paver. So we have shown the mini paver also here because we feel that there is a huge potential for that mini paver, which can go up to 2.5 meters width for the sidewalks, the walkways, not only in the road project but also maybe in some factories and in big residential complexes, because nowadays if you see residential complexes, when these people are making, there are 20 towers and 15 towers and things like that. So there are a lot of road path is there. So all these places we can use it. So this is on paver we have introduced. Also there is a plan to manufacture this mini paver completely in India for the world market. So this also will be coming out with it. Now going to the compaction equipment, we have displayed here our normal 10-ton tandem roller, 10-ton soil compactor. Then we have our 9-ton tandem roller. In addition to that, and our 3.3-ton tandem roller, which was just about 2-3 months back, we launched it when there was an exhibition in Gujarat. So these 3 we have displayed here. Other than that, we have also displayed a 5-ton soil compactor. Nobody in India has a 5-ton soil compactor. We are the first one to introduce that. And we have, because we feel that there are a lot of applications in India where they are using a tandem roller where actually they are supposed to use a soil compactor. So we foresee a lot of opportunity for this in India. Other than that, we have also displayed a 2-ton battery operated tandem roller. So I think everybody is talking about alternative fuel and battery operated in order to make it more environmental friendly. So we also have. So in our factory in Germany, we have got many products which is already converted to battery operated. But then the cost of that is very high, so we have only displayed one such product here. Going forward, we will see how the industry takes off as far as the battery operated things are concerned, and then we'll start producing that also in India. Coming to the concrete products, this is a company called Elba, which was in Germany, which was acquired by Ammann about in the year 2016, something like that. But unfortunately, we were not selling them in India. We were producing them and only exporting out of India to many European countries and many other countries. But now, in the last 1.5 years, we have started selling it in India. So we have customized it to the Indian requirement, and we have displayed one 30 cubic meter batching plant and one 60 cubic meter batching plant. 30 cubic meter is with a pan mixer, and the 60 cubic meter is a special design of Elba. We have also displayed a mixer which is 120 cubic meter plant mixer. So these are the three things. So we would also like to get into the concrete business in a big way, because that's a huge potential. This morning only I was seeing a report that India is moving towards becoming the second largest producer of cement in the world. So if that happens, then there is a huge opportunity for all the concrete product. Then now I come to the asphalt plants. In the asphalt plants, what we have displayed here is one is that big tower what you see there. That is a very special plant which can be used for using 60% of recycled material for reusing. In fact, Ammann, we have a technology which can go up to 100% of recycling with the plant. But of course, India is a bit too early for that. Because we don't have projects like that at the moment, because recycling is becoming now only more and more popular. The 60% recycling, we have already supplied one plant in India which has done more than 100,000 tons of asphalt production, and it's working extremely well. In fact, 100% recycling, we have installed more than 60-70 units in Europe. So that technology is available, so we have to bring it here. And here the other thing about environmental friendliness is that we also have the burners of different types. Normal they use LDO or diesel or something for the fuel. We can go for we are looking at getting into ethanol based fuel. Gas we have already introduced in India, which is a clean fuel. We have the technology in Germany to use also coal dust, which will bring down the environmental pollution, and hydrogen. These are some of the things our parent companies work on that are doing here. The other thing what we have displayed here is a drum, which is a special drum which is used for using the recycled material. So the construction of that to display, we have shown that's a very special construction that we have displayed. And a third drum, what we have displayed here is we call it as a counter mix plant, so that the fuel consumption will drop down drastically on a 60 ton or up to 120 ton continuous plants. So these are some of the displays what we have here.
So if we talk about safety things, safety measures, what kind of safety measures do you provide to your employees using the or handling the machines?
So safety is a very, very important factor in all the equipment that you're doing. So we have, for example, on the plant, we have to be very careful, whether it is a concrete plant or whether it is a asphalt plant. It's very, very critical thing. And so we have sensors and these things which will stop the complete machine if it is if somebody tries to open something or tries to put this thing. In fact, I don't know about the others. I have not seen any others. But the most of the plants what we export out of India, they're all CEC certified. So once you have a CEC certification, then the safety is of the highest standard, the European norms. So we have plants we can supply up to that. All this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.